Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the previous class I discussed about the alkane, alkene, alkyne, hydrocarbon. Now the next hydrocarbon is benzene. This is a special type of hydrocarbon because it is more stable due to the aromatic character. Now few questions I given. Based on this few questions you will understand the total benzene concepts. Now this is benzoic acid, soda lime. Soda lime is a decarboxylating agent, NaOH plus CaO, that is a soda lime. Heat symbol is there. Then in soda lime you know that one carbonless hydrocarbon form. So this will be eliminated as CO2. This H will be added here. Then what is the A? Benzene. Which option is there? Benzaldehyde. Benzene means B option is correct. Clear? Next. Which of the following compound is aromatic? For aromatic characters, what you have to check the points. One should be cyclic. All are cyclic. Second one, that should be planar. For planarity, what is required? Multiple bond. It means double bond required. sp2 carbon required. This carbon is sp2. This is sp3. This is sp3. You know the shortcut how to find out the hybridization. Single bond present mean sp3, double bond present mean sp2, triple bond present mean sp. So here planarity is missing. That's why this is not aromatic. Go for this. Cyclic structure is there. Planarity present at all carbon, all atoms should be planar, not only one. All should be in the planar. sp2, 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 sp2 mean all are planar is there. Conjugation is present or not, check. Conjugation meaning what is the alternate pi bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. Next what is there? Single bond. But if this pi bond shifted to here, then what happened? This will get the negative charge, this will get the positive charge. Positive charge also we are considering in the conjugation, already given in the hyperconjugation concept. So totally this is which one? Conjugated system. Now after shifting this pi bond, then this is which one? Positive charge. Carbocation hybridization is sp2. Once you check your notebook, carbocation hybridization which one? sp2. sp2 mean what is that? Planar. So total all atoms are planar is there. Conjugation also is present. Therefore this is aromatic. Here only we one minute. And one more point we have to check. 3 points satisfied. Last point what is the Haeckel rule? Last rule is what is that? Haeckel rule. Haeckel rule what is that? In the 2, 6, next 4 add 10, next 4 add 14. This type of electron should be satisfied. If it is satisfied, then only any one of the rule is violate, then that is not aromatic. All rule must and should be satisfied. Then only that is aromatic. Now one pi bond mean how many electron? 2. Another pi bond mean how many electron? 2. 2 plus 2. But in this not there. Therefore this is not. This is not aromatic. Go for next. If same like this molecule shift like this, then this is negative, this is positive. Cyclic structure is there. Planarity present at all carbon sp2, 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 sp2. All carbons are planar. Then next one what is the conjugation also present. Then fourth one is in this one pi electron satisfying or not. How many pi bonds are there? 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 is there, then satisfying this is. If it is shift like this, then positive charge is forming tropylium type of cation. This I taught in video lectures. Once you refer this, then 7 member and positive charge is there with this 3 pi bond, then that is tropylium cation. So if like this, this is total molecule is tropolone. Tropolone. This is given in your textbook in the hydrocarbon classification. Tropolone this is. But if it is not there like this, only positive charge is tropylium cation. This is aromatic due to all these 4 rules are satisfied. Then this is. But here not a cyclic structure is there. But here sp3 is there. Conjugation, planarity missing and conjugation also missing. Double bond only is there. Therefore or 2 points are missing here. Any one point is missing, means that is not accepting the aromatic character. Therefore, this is the aromatic. Very important. If you see in video lecture, only with the few points I explain very clearly, or with a few examples. Now, this is toluene. This is nothing but which one? Methyl group. This is CH3. So methyl group is which one? Electron donor group. Methyl group is electron donor group. Electron donor groups are ortho para director. Which director? Ortho para. So this electrophile, it means electron deficient. This is ring mean what is it? Pi bond, pi bond, pi bond. Pi bond is act as a electron rich. So electron rich gives to electron deficient. So this will attack at on benzene any one of the position, but which position? Ortho or para position only, because electron donor groups are ortho para director, electron withdrawing groups are meta director. So it is ortho para director, means this is ortho position, this is para position. Therefore rate will be fast at ortho para position. Next here the same given electrophile, which will give here meta complex. So meta complex do not form here. If form also very little bit, and it is not favorable condition. When not favorable condition, this R1 is R2 is a rate, here R1 is a rate. Which will be fast? R1 or R2 mean R1, because this favorable condition, this is unfavorable condition. Therefore, which is the correct one? First one only satisfying here. Okay. How many dinitrobenzoic acid can exist? Try in your rough notebook now only. How many dinitrobenzoic acids possible? First, note down the benzoic acid. This is what you call benzoic acid. Dinitro. Dinitro means how many nitro groups? 2. I want to write one NO2 here, another NO2 here. Clear? Another possibility, COOH, this NO2 fix, this NO2 shift here. Correct? Next one is COOH. If this NO2 shift here, then what do you call? NO2, NO2, name same or different? This is 2,3 benzoic acid, 2,3 dinitrobenzoic acid. Its name 2,4 dinitrobenzoic acid. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes or no? Then next one is COOH, NO2, this I can shift here. Possible or not? 2,6 dinitrobenzoic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, COOH, 3, 5. Very good. Any other possibility? Very good. NO2, NO2. Clear? If any other, again you change in this structure only will come. 4, this is 5, this is 6. Maximum 6 is there, therefore no need to go for any other structure to write here. Because here 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. Then maximum 6 only means that is only the answer. No need to go for 7, 8. That is the last number here given. Next, relatively better. It means actually before that, which of the following is there? I removed that. Which of the following relatively better substrate for Friedel-Crafts reaction? Two reactions are there, Friedel-Crafts reaction. One is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, another is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction is there. So now alkylation, acylation, anyone consider. Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation reaction is favorable when electron donor group. When electron donor group, keep in mind. Electron withdrawing groups are there, that is not favorable condition. Now nothing groups are there. Here NH2 is electron donor group. So Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction is favorable when electron donor groups are present. Favorable condition. Electron withdrawing group is not favorable condition. Donor group, this is NH2 is electron donor group, NO2 is electron withdrawing group, electron withdrawing group. This is also electron withdrawing group. Therefore C is not answer, D is not answer. Answer may be A, answer may be B. Then what will answer? B, but that is wrong. Reason, in this Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, somewhere I given here maybe, that may be in the last later I will show. So actually this type of reaction takes place. This is, what is that? Aniline. This will come in the second year amine chapter. Once again same concept. In this reaction now RCl, this is alkylation reaction, and this is AlCl3. So in first year you may be seen that video lecture, AlCl3 is a Lewis acid. AlCl3 is a Lewis acid. This is base. Acid and base combine to form which one? Salt. Therefore NH, this lone pair given to this NH2 AlCl3. This is minus, this is plus. So plus form is there like this. What is this? Electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group is unfavorable condition for Friedel-Crafts reaction. Then which is left? A only left. Therefore A is answer here. Okay. So next, the major product of the following bromination. So now observe the given one reaction, that is called bromination. Here this is bromine H nu. H nu given means that will not undergo substitution on benzene ring. Light given means that will not undergo substitution on benzene ring. That will undergo substitution on side chain. Okay. This carbon is which type of carbon? Primary or secondary? This is, then which is favorable for what you call free radical formation? Primary more stable or secondary more stable? Stability. Secondary is, already you know that tertiary is more stable than the secondary, secondary is more stable than the primary. Therefore, which is the favorable for substitution position? Secondary or primary? Secondary. So bromine substitute at which position? This secondary position, not on benzene. H nu given means that is always undergoes substitution on side chain. One point note down here, keep in mind. If light is there, bromination or chlorination undergoes substitution on side chain, not on the benzene ring. If AlCl3 is there, now this reaction we studied already. If bromine and here AlCl3 or FeCl3 Lewis acids are there, that time this will not undergo substitution on the side chain. That time it will undergo substitution on the benzene ring. So keep in mind, AlCl3 or FeCl3 like this Lewis acids are there, substitution on benzene ring. H nu is there, substitution on side chain. So that side chain also more major product possible at which one? Major which one? Stable free radical. Tertiary is the tertiary, secondary is the secondary. No one is there in any way possible, primary only. Then select the correct answer here. D correct answer. Here on benzene ring even that's not correct. This is also on benzene, but this is primary is there. Primary is not major, secondary is a major. Next, reactivity order. Which order that is? More reactive first, less reactive last. Okay, like this we have to find out here. More reactive first, less reactive last. It means decreasing order or increasing order. This is decreasing order. Greater than is there, decreasing, less than is there, increasing order. Note down, this is decreasing order, this is increasing order. So now electrophilic chlorination. See this reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction or acylation reaction, that is also which one? Electrophilic reaction. But here alkyl group or acyl group, here chlorine. Clear? This reaction also takes place in presence of AlCl3 or FeCl3. This reaction also takes place in presence of AlCl3 or FeCl3. AlCl3, FeCl3 is there means substitution takes place on the benzene ring. H nu is there, substitution takes place on the side chain. Now they given which one? FeCl3. Therefore substitution takes place on which one? Benzene ring. Clear? So this electrophile, they given electrophilic. Electrophilic mean what is that? Electron deficient. Electron deficient required which one? See, this is a one benzene. This is some group Z consider. This is any group consider Z. Then electrophile should attack on this position or this position. This is deficient or sufficient? Electron deficient. Deficient require electron rich position. At this position or at this position, electron rich required. Electron rich required mean it should be donor group or electron withdrawing group. This is electron withdrawing group. This is electron donor group. Which is required? Donor group required. So for this reaction also donor groups required, not electron withdrawing group. Because which reaction this is? Electrophilic. Electrophile required more electron. That's why this position should be electron rich. When it is rich, somebody donor groups are there. Clear this? So now this one is, I want to write separately, this is COH, C double bond OH. When it is donate the electron, conjugation is present. It means resonance is there, then only it donate. This is benzene. Benzene can be written like this. Conjugation means what is that? Double bond only is there. Next double bond required. Conjugation not there here. When conjugation is there, it may withdraw, it may donor, but conjugation absent. Here, this can be represented double bond. Here, lone pair is there. So this lone pair, here conjugation is present. This will be comes to here, this will be comes to here. Then what happened here? Negative charge. Negative charge means electron rich. Then is there or not? Is there here. It means this is electron donor group. Here this is electron lone pair is there. Then this can be donate. Then actually this pi bond like this. Then shifted. Here also negative charge is there. CCl3, this is electron withdrawing group. So this order I given in maybe inductive effect, it may be given the resonance effect. So you have to remember some are electron withdrawing, some are electron donor. Otherwise in benzene chapter also one order I given is in video lecture. Like this one order is there. Up to here electron donor group, middle one weak electron donor group, next weak electron withdrawing group, then strong electron withdrawing group, one order I given. So in that everything is present. So this is electron withdrawing group. So electron withdrawing group is not favorable. This is not favorable. Yes or no? Favorable in these two only. Then which is more donor here? Both are donor. Which is more donor mean nitrogen. Which is more donor mean nitrogen. Less electron negative, more donor. More electronegative, less donor. Oxygen is more electronegative than the nitrogen. Therefore this more donor. Therefore 2 should be first. Which option is there? This is only D is there. Remaining nothing is there. So no need to say any other. So direct answer this is 2, 3. Next 1. Because here no conjugation, no withdrawing is there. But here direct withdrawing is there. That's what is last. Simple. Next, identify the meta director among the following. Meta director mean what is that? Electron withdrawing. Electron withdrawing. So which are electron withdrawing? That also I taught maybe in the video lectures. See, first one. This is benzene consider. Here N R positive charge. On this, how many are there? 3. R group is methyl. Methyl is electron donor. Nitrogen also which one? Electron donor. But here lone pair not there. Lone pair is there mean donor. But which is there here? Positive. Positive mean electron deficient or sufficient. Therefore it takes electron from benzene ring. That's what it is. When complete positive charge is there, mean keep in mind that is a very strong electron withdrawing group. Note down this point. Complete positive charge this is. This is which one? Partial positive. This is which one? Complete positive. Complete positive charge is there, mean that is very, very strong electron withdrawing group. Clear this is? Therefore this electron withdrawing group. Here also what is the charge? Positive. Then this is also electron withdrawing group. This is which one? Now only we studied somewhere. electron donor group, because lone pair is present, not given. We have to understand nitrogen form how many bonds? 3, 1 and this 2, then remaining is lone pair. Here OCH3 is electron donor, that also you study in the inductive effect electron withdrawing group, but resonance electron donor group. So this is a very important. In resonance this electron donor, but in inductive electron withdrawing. Cyanide is there. Cyanide how to write? On benzene this is C triple bond N. Now pi bond shift towards the carbon or nitrogen side? Pi bond shift toward the nitrogen side or carbon side? How to understand electronegativity? Which is more electronegative, nitrogen or carbon? Carbon is 2.5, nitrogen is 3. Nitrogen 3. That's why in initial one table I given in the organic chemistry, that is very important. So nitrogen 3. More electronegative will take the electron, then this will take the electron. Then here what is the charge? Positive. Positive charge. If like this is a partial charge, but when shift complete charge. Yes or no? Normally is there partial negative, partial positive, but when shifted complete positive. Complete positive means what I told? Electron with only one is electron donor, which one? NH2. Then they are asking here meta director. Which are the meta director? Electron withdrawings are meta director, electron donors are ortho para director, already told in this problem. So keep in mind electron donor groups are ortho and para director. Electron what I told? Donor groups are ortho para. Electron withdrawings are meta. How many electron withdrawings are there? 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. Which option is there? B option is there. Next, this is what is there? CH3. This is what is there? CD3. This CH3. This is CD3. Clear? Now, this CH3 is electron donor group. Then how it donate the electron? Now I will explain this concept. NH2, here lone pair is there. Lone pair can donate. If you take that CH, H, H, where lone pair? Then how it donate? Got the question here? Generally you studied that CH3 is electron donor group, but here lone pair not there. Then this will be no bond resonance, that is called hyperconjugation. So if this pi bond comes here, this will be comes here, that time this will be like this. No bond resonance, this is called hyperconjugation. This is pi bond, then this will be negative charge like this form. Then here which charge is there? Negative. Negative means what is the electron rich. Then it will be undergo ortho para director. Clear? So now here which is there? CD3 is there. Which is there? CD3. Now same thing we can write here C, D, D, D. Then what happened? This bond break, this will be comes to here. Then here what is the charge? Then this will be here, this pi bond, this bond will be here, here. Both are breakdown, but which is easily breakdown? Therefore, which is more electron donor? CH3 or CD3? Therefore, more donor respective reaction takes place. Got the point? Eh? Both are donor, but reaction takes place with respect to which one? More donor. Clear? Therefore, E plus mean electrophile, attack preferably at ortho position. E plus attack preferably at ortho position to CD3, this ortho position to CH3. Which respect to? CH3. If nothing is given, both takes place. Preferably given mean CH3 respect. Got the point? Eh? Therefore, option A correct. So, in hyperconjugation, this part is very important. CH3 is more electron donor than the CD3. But in inductive effect, CD3 is more donor than the CH3. That is reverse. Keep in mind. These are very, very important concepts. Next. See, this is what is that? Methyl. Nothing is given, that is methyl. Bond given me, that is methyl. One methyl is there. And this is nitro group. Methyl group which one? Electron donor or withdrawing? Donor. NO2? Withdrawing. Already somewhere given here. NO2 somewhere, electron withdrawing groups here given in this one question. Okay, so methyl group is electron donor and NO2 group is electron withdrawing. Now nitration, in this nitration what is the electrophile? NO2 plus is the electrophile. This nitration reaction I taught in the benzene chapter. Alkylation, acylation, nitration, halogenation, some reaction I taught. So this is nitration reaction. Then what is the electrophile? NO2 plus. Plus mean what is the electron deficient or sufficient? Deficient. Electron deficient attack at which position? Rich or poor? Rich. Then which is donor? This is donor. So this is donor group. Which director? Ortho para director. Then these are the which direct ortho position? This is ortho position. This is para position. Clear? This is which one? Electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing groups are which director? Meta director. With respect to this ortho, this is meta. So this is called meta position with respect to NO2 group. Clear? Once again I am telling here, with respect to methyl group, with respect to methyl ortho, this is para. With respect to methyl. With respect to NO2 is which director? Meta director. So this is ortho means this is which one? Meta. This is which one? Para. With respect to nitro. This side ortho, this is meta. Meta already blocked. So there is no substitution takes place. So only one position is there for with respect to NO2 1. But electrophile attack with respect to donor group or withdrawing group? Electrophile attack with respect to donor or withdrawing? Donor. Always keep in mind electrophile deficient. Deficient means which is required? Sufficient group required. Then electron donor group required. Always electrophilic substitution reaction takes place with respect to electron donor group, that will take place at ortho para position. So now at this position is there ortho position. At this position what is there? Para position, because this is same is there. CH3NO2. CH3NO2 as it is there. Extra what is came here? NO2. CH3NO2 as it is. NO2 here came. Next here nothing. Position changed. Here what is there? CH3NO2. This is which one? NO2. Then which is correct answer? C is not answer. C is not answer. Huh? A. So boys answer A. D is not answer. Why? NO2 is which director? NO2 is which director? Ortho para director or meta director? So with respect to NO2, this is ortho, this is meta, this is para. Then this is not answer. With respect to methyl, this is which one? Ortho. But both affect simultaneously if you apply. Then with respect to this which one? Para is there. One is demerit, another is merit is there. With respect to methyl, merit. With respect to NO2, demerit is there. That's why this is not the answer. Answer may be A, answer may be B. Clear? Then this is ortho position. This is which one? Para position. This is which one? Ortho position. Ortho position also product form. Para position also product form. Now this is a methyl. This is a NO2. Here ortho position. In between this NO2 attack means some steric crowd is there. Therefore attacking difficult. So in between these are CH3NO2 bulky group. Then attacking this NO2 at this position difficult because sterically hindered. Space already occupied. In this small space if you attack difficult. But at this one only which group is there? NO2 is there. Remaining not there. But here both sides some steric crowd is there. That's why which is preferable? Ortho or para? Para. That's why B answer. So in this every questions are very very important. That's why like this question I choose. Now ring nitration of dimethyl benzene results in the formation of only one dimethyl benzene. The dimethyl benzene is already, these are dimethyl 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, but this is not dimethyl look like. So this is not answer. This is not answer. On benzene 2 methyl group required. But what is that here? One only is there as a group. Isopropyl benzene. This is not dimethyl. So this is not answer. D neglected. Then what is the answer? What is the answer? See, first one I want to take. This is only one nitrodimethyl benzene. So already dimethyl is there. This is which one? Methyl. Methyl is orthoparadiethyl. This methyl also orthoparadiethyl. With respect to this, here NO2 group form. With respect to here, NO2 group form. With respect to here, para position. With respect to this one, para position here. How many product formed here? 4. Both are same, eh? Sorry, I have to write this is. With respect to this is para, with respect to this is para. Yes or no? Then how many product form? But we want. All names are different or not? Different. That's why this is not answer. This is not answer. Then which is directly C, correct, right? Because this position identical, this position identical only. Name same. So directly you can answer this is. So easy question. Now, how many pi bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 mole of H2. H2 added where? Double bond. Double bond current to which one? Single bond. One only we took here, not all. How many pi bonds are there? 3 plus 2, 5. But how many we took here? 1. 1 means 1 pi bond only converted into single bond. 1 pi bond only converted into single bond. Then which pi bond converted to single bond? That is the question. Benzene pi bonds are not converted into single bond because that is aromatic stable. Then compulsory which one? Outside. Outside, up or down, that is the question. Then your answer which one tell? Up or down? Sorry, I may be mistake here. I have to check this because in these options are there pi bond here, then pi bond I have to write at this position. Mistaken that is. Then which pi bond? Up or down? Boys answer down. Girls answer up. Up only correct. Why? See. Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. Conjugation is present more stable. So stable bond not easily reduce. Which is reduced? Unstable. That's why this one is outside is there. Therefore this is. So answer which one tell? This is also conjugation with this. But this pi bond is conjugation with the benzene. Which one? B. Next, what is this? Bromine, pi bond. Sodium in dry ether mean which reaction immediately in your mind should be strike? Wood's reaction. Immediately. Alkyl halide with the sodium in dry ether, that is a Wood's reaction. Product A is. Then you may be studied like this. Rx plus Na plus Xr. Then it is 2 mole like this removed. Then what is formed here? Rr. Here 2 moles not here, only 1 mole. Mean what you will think? This and this loss, here bond form. Yes or no? Then immediately answer which one? A. But this is not answer. Reason? See, if maximum lectures also they will think this is the answer, first one only answer. Actually they will think first one only answer, but that is not. Immediately in their mind, if this is Dewar benzene. Benzene types are there because benzene how many pi bonds are there? 3 pi bonds. So before that, when the benzene structure is like this discovered, before that so many scientists proposed the benzene structure. In that one of the scientists Dewar, D-E-W-A-R. Dewar is the scientist name. So he also proposed the structure. So that Dewar benzene is not a perfect structure. Then Kekulé proposed this structure, and in his dream the snake tail is swallowing itself, then that look like the ring type in his dream. So that dream implemented into this structure, then we are writing benzene as this pi bond as a ring because these pi bonds are continuously delocalized. So this is given in your textbook in the green box. You just read that dream also they given in that. So now, see, if it is takes place like this. This is free radical mechanism, because you know that Wood's reaction is free radical mechanism. Then what happened? This Br out, and here free radical form, here free radical form. This pi bond half, this pi bond half. It means this homolytic cleavage. Then what happened? Pi bond, free radical bond form. That's why now here bond formed. Here what is there? Free radical bond form. Then what is there here? What is this? Benzene. Therefore B is the answer. Clear? These are very, very strongest questions, not that much easy these are. When explanation is there, easy questions these are. But if you don't know, these are very difficult questions. Next. Most important. Actually question is what is which of the following is there? I removed that. Which of the following is most important contributor to resonance hybrid form when toluene undergo para-nitrogen? Toluene means what is there? On benzene, methyl. Methyl is donor group or withdrawing group? Donor group is ortho, para, director. Therefore, nitration takes place at ortho position or para position. All these are which one? Resonance structure. Then here they given important contributor mean. Important contributor mean what is that? In resonance, I may be told that donkey and horse, both if you contribute their hybridization, then what will come? Another one, mule. Yes or no? All these are which one? In resonance. What the point? So donkey some contribute to mule, horse contributes something, then you will get the which one? Another structure, that is resonance hybrid structure. Yes or no? Hybrid we are getting. Mule is which one? Not actual, that is hybrid. What the point? Same thing, these are all resonance hybrid structure. Which is major? If you observe the mule is look like the donkey also and look like the horse also. So half of equal part is there. But here which is major contributor mean? Resonance hybrid structure is look like which is more contributes. For example, you are forming one group. In that one is leader, because he may give the more money, then all dominate by that person only, or not? Same thing here, one is more stable. That is which one here? Then I given one shortcut. 4 rules are there in the resonance. What are that? You maybe not remember, but here according to this, here which charge is there? Positive charge. When positive charge is there, that time you have to think its stability. Tertiary more stable, then secondary is more stable, then primary. So you have to find out which carbocation this is. Carbocation, which carbocation? Primary or secondary or tertiary this is. What is the tertiary carbocation? The carbon bonded with the 3 other carbon with the positive charge. Now tell this is which type? This is, then which is more stable? A. Simple. So all this very clearly given in notes, but you have to read that. Now, what is this? Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Already I told somewhere is there this reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. This AlCl3 is there, mean immediately in your mind should be strike. This is electrophilic substitution reaction takes place on benzene, not side chain. Anyway here side chain not there, only benzene is there. Major product. Then what you will think here? Very simple question this is. You will think like this. This is a benzene plus Cl. This will be eliminated. Then what is the charge here? Positive. This will be takes here. Then you are thinking that this is a benzene. Clear? This is 1 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Correct? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This is 1, 2, 3. On this again branch is there. Then you are thinking which is the product? Like this, not there? 1 minute. I think I have to write this is only maybe mistaken here. Like this. Then you are thinking this A answer. but A is not answer. See, now we discuss so many questions. In that, what you are thinking, that is not answer. Generally, that is A or B is there. So, student, when they read the question, immediately they will take A or B only. But answer another is there. That is a complete exam question. So, in this electrophilic substitution reaction, what is formed here? If it is eliminated, what is formed here? Positive. Carbocation formed. Then I told you that in the classroom, when carbocation is formed, immediately in your mind should be strike that is stable or not. If stable is there, which type of stable is? Primary or secondary or tertiary? Which is more stable? Tertiary. Here, which is formed here? Primary. Then primary is there, means we are converting into which one? Secondary possible. Secondary convert, tertiary possible, tertiary convert. Then you not converted directly, you wrote me, this is a wrong answer. So what you have to think next? This is a carbocation formed, mean this is a shifted here. When it is shifted here, what you will get? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and this carbon came to here, mean this is here. Then here what is the charge? First, which carbocation this is? 1, 2, 3. The carbon bonded with the 3 carbon. Which one this is? Tertiary. Then this will be bonded to benzene. Like this, which is there? B. Then this is the answer. All these are very, very important questions. Those which is not covered in the theory, that questions I covered in this objective part. With this you can understand every concept. Next, this is also same type of reaction. This is here what is given. Generally carbon isotopes are which one? You may be studying the first year, first chapter. Carbon isotopes are carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. Nothing given, means these are which one? Carbon 12. But here what is there? Carbon 14 is there. Therefore, now this type of reaction only. Benzene is there, benzene and benzene. This is CH2 double bond CH2 CH2 Cl. If it is eliminate, then what is the charge? Positive. Allylic carbocation, this is. Which one this is? Allylic. Allylic carbocation is more stable than the tertiary, because it will undergo resonance. Then here positive charge, CH2 positive. This is 14 single bond CH only, this is double bond CH2. So positive charge may be right side, positive charge may be left side. Then both products should form. One is, this is directly bonded to benzene. Then which is there? This is directly bonded. Here CH2 bonded, CH2, CH2 means here 14 is there. This is also product. Another one, if it is bonded as a 14, then which is, this is product. Answer, this is not, this is not. Okay, then which is correct answer now? Only one is major product only they asked. First one or second one? Then B or C, A. Then how to answer means, see, CH2 double bond CH, CH2 Cl, AlCl. If you see mechanism, then this will be form as a complex. Then from here onwards only this is attached to benzene. So this will be directly attached. Then resonance takes place. Therefore, B is a correct answer here. Very, very important question. This very, very important. Next, see, all of you. If it is eliminate out in AlCl means this reaction only. If it is eliminate out, which carbocation form? Which carbocation form? Primary or secondary? Resonance takes place. It means rearrangement takes place. Primary form in secondary possible. Because again primary only form if it is rearranged also. So on benzene which is attack? Ethyl group attack. So P is which one? Ethyl. P is which one? Ethyl. NBS. In last class I told you that NBS meaning what is that? N-bromosuccinamide. NBS is there mean bromine substitute at allylic position or benzylic position. Here allylic not there. Which is there? Benzylic. So on benzene next carbon is which one? Benzyl. So at this bromine substitute. So I will write Q is which one? Here bromine is there. Benzyl. Next alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH mean what is there? Elimination reaction. Elimination mean here hydrogen not there. Here hydrogen not there because this is a functional group. Next carbon alpha. This is beta. This is also beta. In beta elimination, where hydrogen present, there only loss. Here not there, mean here only. Then here H loss, here Br loss. Then what is formed here? One pi bond form. Then pi bond form would meaning this is pi bond. Recently we studied in the polymer chapter. This is styrene. Yes or no? Then styrene where it is? Cl. With this, benzene chapter also maximum completed.